Alright folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor Street Appearance Package. Original norsea brew foam factory. Vehicle does have scratches, very light scratches that are hardly noticeable. And yes, it does have about 5 door dings. From the beautiful city of Austin, Texas. So the vehicle does have no rust whatsoever. And based on the information that I received, this was a DPS unit and it was a take home vehicle by a SWAT team officer. Now that is that information that I gathered. My contacts in Austin, Texas, they're telling me that these particular vehicles belong to the SWAT team officers. It's got dark tinted windows all around, as expected. The vehicle is in immaculate running conditions and shape. I do have 2 holes on the vehicle, one in the roof and one in the trunk lid, where you see those 2 black antennas. Those are the actual antennas. They are not magnetic, so if you drive your car to the express car wash, those are gonna be solid and they're not gonna go anywhere. One little tiny scuff mark right there on the rear bumper. Folks, vehicle has been registered. I do have the tags, correction, I do have the plates, registration, and title. This is an E85 flex fuel vehicle, so E85 okay. Vehicle has been completely serviced and detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, I have about 2 door dings right here on the passenger side, one right here, one right here, and I do have 3 on the driver's side. I forgot to point those out to you, but I'll show them to you, okay? I'll walk my way back to it. I do have minor scratches here. Whatever decal was there, or I don't know, you know, it's got scratches here. Folks, it is my job to let you know everything about my vehicle as much as I know to my knowledge. That way I can share that with you. And I'm pretty black and white, so I try not to hide anything. In fact, I don't hide anything. I do have clear lessons on the front. The headlights were replaced. The ones that the ones that the car came with were replaced because they were a little bit too yellowish for me. I did have a original set of headlights here on standby. They're used, so I decided to put those on, and they look a heck of a lot better than the ones that the car came with. Folks, let me show you those door dings. I have one here, somewhere here, another one here, and another one right here where this paint is. They are there. They don't affect the drivability of the vehicle, but once again, it is my job to let you know what we have on this gorgeous car. Folks, let me tell you, the paint looks great, super shiny, very slick, immaculate running condition, super quiet. It's got everything you need. Let's go inside real quick. 85. Folks, as you can see, I do have a matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with 4 matching floor mats. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. So you can open the door from inside of the car. Locks are in place. Window switch does work, so everything does work, okay? That's that. Before I forget, this is gonna be an X-Ray 5 rear differential. Once again, X-Ray 5 rear differential, 327 posse. Electric seat, driver's side, perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle did an outstanding job taking care of it. Two little tiny holes here from the microphone hanger. This is where that's from. Aside from that, she looks great. Working cruise control. Honk works. Electric retractable pedal switch. Let's fire her up. Pressure lights are off. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle does have 138,000 miles. I am driving her around, so I'm gonna round it up to 139. I am responsible for 256 miles driven and only 548 idle hours. There you have it. No ticket light. Courtesy light is on. Map lights do work. As you can see, I do have a red one here and a white one here. They appear to be LED bulbs, which is a big plus. Something I don't see every day around here. So the blackout option is enabled on this vehicle. So when you open the doors, the light will come on, okay? Once again, when you open the doors, the light will come on. Let's get to the trunk. Show you what we got back there. Once again, folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and it's ready to go anywhere across the states or out of the country. Who knows? It's ready to go anywhere. Folks, as you can see, I do have a full matching spare tire, Eagle RSA, hold down pen inside, floor jack to the right, and this came with the car. It's a new door lock actuator. By the looks of it, it's going to be a front side door lock actuator, left or right. So that stays with the car. As you can see, this vehicle did come with this heavy duty chains here. There's another one right here. That pretty much tells me whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they carry all their artillery in the trunk with an extra lock to make sure nobody can get in it. Anyway, my sources did tell me that this car probably belonged to a SWAT team officer whom took this car home. See the door ding right there, you can see it. Bam, right there. Let's get into the hood. Vehicle has been completely detailed inside and out, so you don't need anything. Vehicle is in immaculate running condition. Yes, I am driving it. I like it. Super quiet. It is strong, and it's got what you need when you're driving it. Very comfortable as well. She needs nothing. I already taken care of everything she needed. Let's get started. Clean this up here again. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, 520 full synthetic oil change, fluid and filter, full synthetic transmission service, fluid and filter. Motorcraft, I would not use anything else but Motorcraft with that transmission. Folks, before I forget, I've also installed an external transmission cooler to this particular vehicle to work independently with that transmission. I did have the budget and I gave the car a little bit more than usual. So yes, an external transmission cooler was built into the vehicle to work independently with this transmission. So if you live in a hot and humid place, that's what you want to have in your Vic. I did recharge the AC system along with a new RP2 inline filter. Okay, so the air conditioner is nice and cold now. Brand new heavy duty AC Delco Professional Series battery. Also, it's got a new drive belt, tensioner and pulley from the department. Brand new radiator, electric fan and shroud and module. This three components right here, folks, were replaced at the same time. That's how you want to do it. The radiator is extremely clean, fan works, it is new. So there's a lot of departments out there, when they do replace that radiator, they replace the fan shroud and the module. Oh, that was hot. So that's a big plus. Front brakes are about 70%, and it also does have new rear brakes from the department, and it also does have a new set of Motorcraft heavy duty rear shocks on the rear. Once again, that was from the department. I went past my 10 minutes, so I need to hurry up. Let's close this up real quick so I don't tie you up in the computer screen. One last final look here, guys. Once again, this is a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria exterior appearance package. Yes, it is a police interceptor. Former DPS vehicle from the city of Austin, Texas. Take-home unit in immaculate running condition and shape with 139,000 miles and 548 idle hours. Folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend. Be safe and take care. God bless.